around 50 points higher, so not looking bad. About a 0.5% uptick is what we have at our hands. A lot more tempered for the Nifty bank, but I guess the traction is all about IT and then, of course, metals. So let's check in on both those sectors and how they have performed in trade. But like I was saying, a lot of stock movers this morning. So let's start off with Hindustan Zinc, Varun Beverages. There's IHCL, of course, which is the other one in focus. Muthoot and Manappuram, given that spot gold has surpassed the October peak and it's hit a fresh record high. Indian hotels a lot more subdued, as is the case with some of the gold financiers too. Fortis, after that Bangalore expansion and investment, look out for what that stock as well does. And there's Tata Chemical as well, which is looking to acquire a sodium bicarbonate maker for an EV of about 25 million euros actually. So look out for what that stock as well does. BOB, they've received a $29 million from voluntary liquidation of India International Bank Malaysia JV. So that stock is the other one which is also in focus. There's IOB too. There's, of course, GE Shipping. GE Shipping Contracts is looking to buy a second-hand very large gas carrier. So look out for what that stock as well does. And PVR Inox finally makes its headway into Leh in Ladakh. They've opened 2-screen multiplex in this particular area. There's, of course, Worry Energies as well, a $30 million investment in United Solar US. They're looking to secure the supply chain and confirming the 300 megawatt order. There's Kims as well, which is leased land for a 300-bed hospital, investment of about 300 odd crore rupees. And then, of course, there's Saregama as well with their acquisition in Bhansali Productions. So look out for what that stock as well does. That's opened higher by about almost 0.5% as we speak right now. But as I see it, some of the tech names, of course, are holding out, and metals, that's where your big movers are. And look at Shriram Finance, another 2.5% higher there too. Infy, over a 2% move on that stock right now. It's almost headed in for a 3% of an uptick coming in. So now that's where the movers are clearly in IT and metals today.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a good start for the index. We are back again about the 26,000 levels. The Bank Nifty also showing some signs of recovery, holding on to that 59,200-50 mark. And it's good to see that the names like IT, stocks, Infosys, etc. Wipro, I think, is also amongst the top 5 names in the F&O gainer. So these are the stocks which are moving up higher, which means we are looking at the move sustaining for the Nifty IT index in the near term. In terms of opening trade, I would look at Maruti as a potential opening trade breakout. The stock heading back towards that 16,500 levels, which is a near-term hurdle for the stock in the short-term period, and would expect the stock to come back into a leadership move after this 1 month, 1.5 odd month of a consolidative phase.
Maruti is the stock that Kunal just talked about. Let's bring up that chart price for you. But Kunal, just on Infosys,